Want to express your feelings like a native? These 10 simple idioms are easy to use and remember. Welcome back to Toon Talk English, where we keep your English real and useful. This is episode 3, and today we're going over 10 super easy idioms you can actually use to talk about your feelings. Let's go. Idiom 1. Feel down. Meaning, feeling a little sad. How to use it. Use this when you're not feeling great emotionally. Example 1. I've been feeling down since yesterday. Repeat after me. I've been feeling down since yesterday. Example 2. She felt down after her team lost. Repeat after me. She felt down after her team lost. Idiom 2. Cheer up. Meaning, to feel better or help someone feel better. How to use it? Use it when someone is sad and you want to lift their mood. Example 1. Cheer up, things will get better. Repeat after me. Cheer up, things will get better. Example 2. He brought flowers to cheer her up. Repeat after me. He brought flowers to cheer her up. Idiom 3. I'm on cloud 9. Meaning, feeling extremely happy. How to use it? Say this when you're super happy about something. Example 1. I'm on cloud 9 after getting the results. Repeat after me. I'm on cloud 9 after getting the results. Example 2. She was on cloud 9 after her birthday party. Repeat after me. She was on cloud 9 after her birthday party. Idiom 4. Feeling blue. Meaning, feeling sad or low. How to use it? Use it to describe a gloomy or emotional mood. Example 1. I'm feeling blue today. Don't feel like talking. Repeat after me. I'm feeling blue today. Don't feel like talking. Example 2. He was feeling blue after the fight with his friend. Repeat after me. He was feeling blue after the fight with his friend. Idiom 5. Lose your temper. Meaning, to suddenly get very angry. How to use it? Use it when someone can't control their anger. Example 1. He lost his temper during the game. Repeat after me. He lost his temper during the game. Example 2. Try not to lose your temper over small things. Repeat after me. Try not to lose your temper over small things. Idiom 6. Cry your eyes out. Meaning, to cry a lot because of strong emotions. How to use it? Use this when someone is extremely upset. Example 1. She cried her eyes out after the breakup. Repeat after me. She cried her eyes out after the breakup. Example 2. He cried his eyes out watching that movie. Repeat after me. He cried his eyes out watching that movie. Idiom 7. Freak out. Meaning, to get very scared, worried, or excited. How to use it? Use it when someone has a big emotional reaction. Example 1. I freaked out before my presentation. Repeat after me. I freaked out before my presentation. Example 2. She freaked out when she saw the spider. Repeat after me. She freaked out when she saw the spider. Idiom 8. Lighten up. Meaning, to relax and stop being so serious. How to use it? Say it when someone is being too tense or serious. Example 1. Come on, lighten up. It's just a joke. Repeat after me. Come on, lighten up. It's just a joke. Example 2. He needs to lighten up and have some fun. Repeat after me. He needs to lighten up and have some fun. Idiom 9. Get on someone's nerves. Meaning, to annoy someone. How to use it? Say this when someone's behavior is bothering you. Example 1. His loud chewing gets on my nerves. Repeat after me. His loud chewing gets on my nerves. Example 2. This noise is getting on my nerves. Repeat after me. This noise is getting on my nerves. Idiom 10. Mixed feelings. Meaning feeling happy and sad at the same time. How to use it? Say this when you're unsure how you feel. Example 1. I have mixed feelings about leaving school. Repeat after me. I have mixed feelings about leaving school. Example 2. She had mixed feelings about moving to a new city. Repeat after me. She had mixed feelings about moving to a new city. That's your 10 easy emotional idioms. Now you can talk about your feelings like a native. Which one felt most relatable to you? Drop it in the comments. If you learned something today, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe. Your one click helps this reach more people who are trying to speak better English just like you. If you haven't watched episode 1 and 2 yet, check them out next. They're packed with real-life English you can actually use. Remember, every phrase you learn is one step closer to real confidence in English. Keep showing up. You're already doing great.